Hey everybody, it's Mr. Thompson from Personal Achievement Martial Arts. I am showing you guys your core lesson for this week. This is for my beginner and little dragon students, so white gold belts and little dragons. You guys are going to be working on something kind of fun, and be a little careful with this one. It takes a little bit of space, but we're going to do some rolling, all right? This is actually a really good skill. Even my adults, if you got an injury, then maybe hold off on this one, but if you can, this is actually a good coordination drill. Actually not bad for you in general. It's going to help you just kind of loosen up some things. But we're going to work on rolling on the ground, and this is a kind of eventually going to turn into what we call like a survival roll or a ninja roll or a dive roll. Many different names for this one, but actually kind of useful if you can. So some of my younger guys, you guys will really like this one. A lot of fun, but you got to have a little bit of a soft landings, maybe outside. Don't wear your white uniform outside in the grass, it'll get dirty, all right? Or carpet. You have hardwood, might hurt a little bit. All right, you can do it, but I don't recommend doing it on hardwood right now. So maybe move to a different location if you need to. You can pause the video and do that real quick. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. So our roll, I'll show it to you guys first. Looks like this. It's a shoulder roll. So I'm going over the side of my body, and I'm just rolling right there. All right, that way my head doesn't touch the ground, my head is safe, and I'm not rolling directly on my spine, so my spine is safe, and I'm just going more over my shoulder and the sides, maybe a little my hip, okay? So that's kind of the goal with this roll. Now, you can start off doing a somersault. So somersault looks like this, right? Put my hands down, put my head down, I lift my bottom up, and I push all the way over. You gotta be able to do that first. I mean, so if you've mastered your somersault, you can keep going on to the next step. Step number 2 is going to be working on my shoulder roll, all right? So if you guys need to, pause the video, maybe do a couple somersaults really quick just to make sure you got that. Go ahead, go. All right, so now let's get going on to your shoulder roll. So it looks like this. I'm going to do it facing you guys first, and I'll do it with you as well so you guys can follow along. I go up on one knee. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. Now I'm going to mirror you guys so you can follow along with me. So just take this hand up in the air, and then this hand up in the air. I'm going to put them both on the ground. Boom. Just like this, okay? But we're going to lift this hand through this time, right? So this one's going to stay there. I'm going to go across. Now imagine there's a big ball, like a big yoga ball, and you're going to hug that ball underneath, and you're going to try and smell your smelly armpit with your nose right here, all right? And now look at this. I'm going to do a little bit to the side so you can see my toes back here. I'm going to lift up on my toes, and I'm going to lean forward, and then I'm just going to fall over my shoulder right there. All right, so that's the goal with this one. Falling over my shoulder, my head should not touch the ground. All right. Now, if that's too hard, you can try this. You can try a somersault. Put your hands down, tuck your chin, and you can work on not letting your head touch the ground with your somersault. That's a great step to work on. All right. So if anything of this gets a little bit too difficult for you, you can just go back to that one. So especially my little dragons, if you can work on just somersaults without your head touching the ground, awesome. All right. If you're a little dragon, you could even just stop the video right there, have a little bit of fun. You're just gonna do somersaults for like 5 minutes nonstop. Maybe not that long, but have a little bit of fun. Make sure, again, you got some safe ground underneath there, all right? So, everybody else, let's go ahead, keep going. I'm going to do a follow along now, so everybody kneel down. And you're going to take one leg out, one leg in, and I'm going to raise my hands up. I'm going to put this hand on the ground. This one's going to scoop. I'm going to smell this armpit right here. Whoop. So I should be looking. You guys should be able to see right behind you. Right now, I'm going to lift off this leg, and I'm going to roll into the wall. I'm just kidding, all right? Be careful so you guys don't run into anything at home, all right? Now, as you get a little better, and you start doing a little faster, I come up, and I'm just going to, oops, I'm on the wrong side. Come up and roll, and then I can turn around, roll, and then I can start standing up, leaning over, roll. It's the same thing standing up. I put one hand down, the other one scoops underneath, and I'm going over, not touching my head, and those are your rolls, all right? So this one's a little more for fun, but I'll tell you what, out of all the martial arts I learned, this is the one thing I actually have used a couple times in my life, just for saving myself from a nasty fall, right? When you fall down, what do you usually do? You brace yourself when you fall, right? And that's how we sprain wrists, sprain elbows, break bones. It's a good way to save your brain from getting damaged, but it's not the best way. Rolling is a great one, right? You're running, and then all of a sudden you trip, rolling out of it. Sometimes can work out all right, all right? They definitely, like I said, definitely saved me some nasty injuries in the past. So have some fun. Just do that for a few minutes on your own. See where you get, and then if you get down nice and fast, your head's not touching the ground. You can work on standing, rolling, and then standing back up out of it again too. So it looks like this. I roll, I stand up, and then I roll and go the other way. All right. So you can end the video, have a little fun, maybe go for a few minutes, just working on those rolls. That's your core lesson for this week. All right. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.